In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana tasks to organize your subtasks. If your task has a long list of subtasks, sections make it much easier to scan, prioritize, and keep everything on track. We'll walk through opening your project, selecting a task, creating a section right inside the subtask list with a quick keyboard shortcut, giving that section a clear name, and then organizing your subtasks under it by dragging and dropping. By the end, you'll have a clean structure that turns one messy list into clear stages or categories. Start by opening your Asana project. Use List or Board View. Either is fine, as long as you can see the task you want to organize. Click the task to open the Task Details pane on the right. This is where you'll see the description, assignee, due date, and, importantly, the subtasks area. Make sure you can see the subtasks list. If it's collapsed, expand it so the list is visible. Next, click into the Subtasks area so Asana knows you're working there. Now press Tab, then N on your keyboard. That shortcut creates a section within the subtask list. If you accidentally create a regular subtask instead, it usually means the focus wasn't in the subtask list. Just click back into the list and press Tab, then N again. The shortcut works the same on both Mac and Windows keyboards. As soon as the section appears, give it a clear, action-oriented name. Keep names short and unambiguous. Think planning, in progress, waiting, or done. Consistent naming helps teammates understand where a subtask belongs at a glance. Press Enter to save the section name. If you need to adjust it, click the name to rename. Now organize your subtasks. Hover over a subtask to reveal its drag handle, then drag and drop it right under the new section header. You'll see a thin line indicating where the subtask will land. Drop it and repeat for the rest. You can reorder sections the same way, moving the entire group up or down to match your workflow. If you're moving many subtasks, it helps to group related items first, then fine-tune the order for priority. A few quick tips as you tidy up. Keep the parent task selected while you reorganize to avoid moving the wrong item, and use concise labels so long section names don't crowd the view. Once everything sits under the correct section, your task becomes far easier to manage and report on. That's all it takes. Open your project, select the task, create a section with Tab and N, name it clearly, and drag your subtasks into place. Enjoy your newly organized workflow.